Hey guys, it's Malika and welcome back to my channel. And today I am here at Elante Mall. As we all know, Diwali is coming, so this is the decoration of Diwali at the entrance of the mall. Diwali is the festival of lights, so they have made this beautifully diya to enlighten our Diwali. This is the main attraction of everyone who are visiting this mall for the first time, and people love to click their pics here. If you are coming to mall, and make sure you have downloaded Arogya Setu app in your phone, because without this app you are not able to enter in the mall and you have to wear proper mask, no scarf, no hankies. After the scanning you will see this view of the mall for Diwali. This time they have made the sculpture of Garud, who is the devoted mount of Lord Vishnu and has been known to serve as avatars throughout history whenever they needed him. The Garud has a mix of eagle and human features and is also known as the king of birds. He is generally a protector with power to swiftly go anywhere. While moving forward, you will see every store is having some festive vibes. Because of the festive season, you will see mostly brands are having discount or sale going on their products. As winter season is also approaching, so you will able to get latest collection of winter wear. You will able to get latest collection of sweaters, cardigans, hoodies and jackets. Festive season is going on and you will get lots of festive vibes here because every store is having latest collections of ethnic wear. You will get lots of different colors in ethnic wear and lots of different styles in ethnic wear. You will get plazo, sharara, pants, different styles of kurtis, crop top. Wedding season is on the way and you will able to get latest collection of lehengas. Ali is coming and Loki making.